Hello and welcome to yield farming with tBTC on Curve video. And the purpose of this video is to introduce Bitcoin holders or those who just want to invest in Bitcoin to decentralized finance and possibilities to earn rewards while keeping Bitcoin. So why would you want to do it? First of all, you will keep your Bitcoin exposure. Secondly, you will earn trading fees on Curve. Also, you will earn CRV rewards, and additionally, you will earn Keep Network token rewards, as this pool will be incentivized by Keep Network team. There are no details regarding it yet, as there was just a tweet from the team about it. So, what is tBTC? tBTC is fully Bitcoin-backed Ethereum token. Let's break it down. What is Bitcoin-backed? Every tBTC is backed by at least one Bitcoin. So basically how it works. There is a network of computers which run special software. When users send their bitcoins from Bitcoin network to Ethereum network, those computers store bitcoins, and when the network confirms that it received, let's say, 1 BTC, it issues 1 tBTC on Ethereum blockchain. So every tBTC is backed by at least one Bitcoin. On the other hand, when a user wants to move back to a Bitcoin, Keep Network destroys tBTC coins on Ethereum network and releases Bitcoins held by the network. This is a very simplified explanation, and if you want more details, you can check the website of the project. Also, this project is permissionless, so it means that there are no intermediaries and you can redeem tBTC for Bitcoin at any time. But the system is designed in a way that operators who run those computers cannot run away with those locked bitcoins, so the system is also secure. What is Curve? Curve is a stablecoin DEX. Let's break it down also. So what is DEX? A decentralized exchange is a peer-to-peer online service that allows direct cryptocurrency transactions between two interested parties. Stablecoin DEX is a DEX which is designed for extremely efficient stablecoin trading. Also, there are some precautions. I will not go through all the risks as they are quite technical. Just remember that all crypto projects are risky and even best security audits might not avoid all the risks. So there are several simple rules which will help you stay safe and avoid losses. First of all, start with small amounts and test if everything works as intended. And secondly, don't risk money you can't afford to lose. And once you feel confident, you can start using bigger amounts. So what you will need to start earning yield with Bitcoin? First of all, you will need BTC wallet with some Bitcoin. I assume you have some Bitcoin or know how to get it and how to use Bitcoin wallet. Also, you will need Ethereum wallet with some ETH. Currently, tBTC website supports MetaMask, Ledger and Trezor, so you have to use one of those wallets. And now we can proceed to a demo. We will use BTC to mint some tBTC and then we will deposit it on Curve and stake it to receive some rewards. Alright, so let's start with tBTC network website. Here you can find additional information about the project, and also you can find here frequently asked questions regarding the project. So I encourage you to go there and check it out. But we will go straight to minting tBTC. Here you will see some additional warnings, and we will proceed to deposit. As mentioned earlier, you will need one of those wallets in order to proceed. I will use MetaMask, but if you will mint big amounts of tBTC, it's better to do some hardware wallets like Trezor or Ledger. And I will choose smallest amount possible as I do it for the first time, so let's check it first. In order to find out the best gas price, I usually use this wallet, so we can see that probably it's a little bit too low, so I will bump it. All right. All right, so the transaction went through, and you can see it here, and we are waiting for BTC address. At the moment, the network computers in the network talk to each other, and they're fetching BTC address, so we just have to wait. All right, so we have another transaction. Let's bump it here also. Second transaction also went through, and we still have to wait. All right, so we can see that it says pay exactly 0.01 Bitcoin, and to avoid loss of funds, do not fund from an exchange. All right, and scan the QR code or click to copy the address below into your wallet. Okay, so I will just copy it, and I will use my Ledger Live in order to transfer this exact amount to this address. And I will check the address one more time. Okay, and now we can see that this interface instantly changes, and we have to wait for 6 confirmations on the Bitcoin network. So it will take around 1 hour. Usually Bitcoin blocks mined in about 10 minutes, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less. So I will turn off the video, and I will be back when those 6 transactions will be mined. So this was the last confirmation, and now we have to claim our tBTC on Ethereum network. So once again, I will check current gas price. All right, so it was mined already. Okay, another confirmation. Actually, we are receiving our tBTC now. So this is the last step, I believe. All right, so this transaction was mined, and hopefully one more transaction. All right, this transaction was also mined. What will happen next? One more transaction. So we did it, and now we have our TDT ID, which you have to copy if you want to redeem it later. I will not go through this in this video, but also we will be able to see our tBTC in our wallet. Yes, you can see that we've just received some tBTC, exactly the amount we were supposed to receive. Alright, and now we have to go to Curve and deposit our tBTC to Curve. Connecting our wallets. And now we can scroll this list of pools, and we're interested in tBTC pool. Now we go to deposit, and there are two options, but we will choose this one because it will do everything in one transaction. Checking gas prices once again. Waiting for transactions to be confirmed by the network. Alright, 2 transactions have been confirmed, and now we have to stake. This also will take 2 transactions. Alright, so we now have share of the pool, and now we can go to DAO and see if we got some rewards. So here we can see that we have some allocation in tBTC pool, and we are earning Keep network tokens already, and you can see 0.00 CRV here, but this is because the amount of our staked tokens is very low. So with a bigger amount, you will see this number growing faster. But we can see that Keep network tokens are already distributing, and I didn't see any notification, official announcement about it from the team, but as you can see, it already incentivized and the pool already receives Keep network token. All right, so that's it. And thank you for watching my video, and happy farming.